How do you fix Scarlet Idol or New DAO is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties, and in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to update your GPU drivers, whether you using the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on your GPU. You want to go to drivers, check for driver updates, and make sure to get the latest ones. Next, you want to open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, open up the first link, and from here you want to scroll down and get the 86 installer and the 64, and make sure to get and install both of them, which will require you to restart your computer once you're done. Next, you want to open Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.